This is Kevin Rogers reporting with electricboatnews.com. We're looking at the region in the Democratic Republic of Congo where there were two riverboat ferry accidents where life was lost. Video, courtesy of Google Earth, we are researching how Electric Boat News and the research that we are doing could help this region with an electric boat alternative to the types of boats that they are currently using. This is the reason that this website exists. We want to be able to connect researchers and resources to allow electric boat use to expand.